Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to make a B.ed project. Actually, it is a maths project. I have used algebraic expressions here. You can use anything, any equations, any square roots, cube roots, any equations you can use in this model. This project is totally made of waste materials, so you can call it best out of waste. So let's start the process. I have taken some waste papers. They are not the printer papers. You can see some prints on the back side. I am taking a line which is approx 2 to 3 inches below the upper surface. First line I have taken the approx measurement, but for the second line I am measuring the distance. Suppose I have taken 16 centimeters. From the upper line means the gap between the two lines is 16 centimeters, and this I will do on all the papers. I have taken approximately 7 to 8 papers. You can take as many as you want. Now I will make the rectangles in which I will write the expressions. I have taken 3 centimeters below the bottom line and 1 inch above the upper line. Just make sure that the gap should be the same in all the papers. As I have taken 16 centimeters, you can take any gap according to your box available, your carton available. Now I'm writing the algebraic expressions in these two boxes, the main base on the upper box and its formula in the lower box. You can use it to write anything, like you can take any other expressions, quadratic equations, squares, square roots, anything. Now I have taken a waste carton slightly bigger than my A4 sheets. First I am taking the measurement of sides of the paper. There should be at least 2 to 3 inches of clearance from both upper and lower side of the paper on the carton. Means you should take this much bigger carton. As we have got the dimensions of the paper on the cardboard, I'm just taking the same measurements I have taken on the paper, means the same upper line and 16 centimeters lower line, and making the boxes. The rectangles which I have marked here, I have taken just a slightly larger size than which I have made on the paper. Now I will cut and remove the portions which I have marked. Now you can see that these cuts are exact the size which we have marked on the paper and written the expressions. Now I don't need these two flaps, so I am cutting it and removing it. I have also removed the other side flaps which were not needed. Now measuring the cuts with the biggest formula I have written, and you can see the boxes are of bigger size than the formula. Now for rolling the sticks, I have used one waste paint brush which was not in use, and for other side I have got one stick. If you are not having the sticks or something to roll upon, you can just make it by rolling the hard papers in a form of a pipe. Now I will cut 4 holes opposite each other on both an upper and lower side, just above and below the rectangles cut. As you can see, I have made the circles. Now I will cut the holes. The holes on the other side should be exactly opposite to the holes which we had made on the first side. So please properly measure with the stick. Now I will cut these 4 holes. Please do subscribe my channel for more art and craft related works and new recipes. Now I will put the sticks through and through the hole. You can use your paper tubes. Just make sure that it should not come in the rectangle spaces cut. Now I am arranging these sheets in an order. You can take any order, whatever you have written, any expressions, any equations. You can make your own order. I have rubbed the boxes which I had made just for a finishing touch, and I have pasted these sheets in a particular order. You can see how I have made it. My sheets of formulas are ready. Now I will give an aesthetic look to this box. You can take any color paper or you can just paint over it. I am using simple papers, chart papers to cover it. You can measure the cuts of those rectangles and those circles, and you can cut beforehand, but it will be easier to cut after. I am just pasting the sheet, and after that I will cut the required shapes. It totally depends on you what color you want or you want multiple colors or single colors. Just with the sense of touch, I am making sure where my holes were or cuts were. I am cutting my paper in such a way and folding inside the holes. Now the outside look of the project is almost complete. Now I will fold the paper and stick it from the inside just to give a smooth look from outside. Now place the sticks through and through the hole. Just make sure that the both sides which are out should be equal. Pasting the papers can be a tricky one. Just check out precisely the backside of the paper is inside the box. And I've pasted the paper ends on about 1/3 of the circumference of the sticks, not on the whole stick, so that it can roll over. And now after sticking the ends, just adjust the paper inside the box, and now just roll over the whole length of paper on both sides of the sticks. You can see how I'm rolling over. Our project is almost ready. The last step is to do some embellishments just for the aesthetic look. Just to give a pretty look, I am covering the ends of the stick with paper. You can take any color. And now sticking some pom-poms. You can make any hanging embellishments also. Doing the same process on all the four sides. And now some laces for some more aesthetic look. Decoration is totally subjective. You can do any decor of your choice. There is no hard and fast rule that you have to follow this only. Please do subscribe and share my channel, and do comment if you like this video. And finally, I am covering the opening part of the box with another paper. You can take the same color also. Writing the topic name algebra with the golden color on the box. And now the project is totally complete. The topic is on algebraic expression for the B.ed project. Just roll the sticks up and down and you will get the algebraic expressions with their formulas. Thank you so much everyone for watching. Please do subscribe and share.